Guys, and today I am going to be doing, we are doing this RMDC. Is that what it's called?
It's called an RC car.
RC car. It is so good. Okay, so we didn't turn it on yet, didn't we?
No.
Okay, so we're going to turn it on. Yeah. And James, where'd you get it at?
Amazon.
James got it from Amazon. So just search that up, and it comes with all this stuff, and you can flip it around too. So unpause it. Should you unpause it?
Yeah. Oh!
It's such a good off-roading thing. Okay, James, go on the street too.
Okay.
So now, James, you're going to be trying it.
Whoa.
Right. I'm just going to try jumping over it first. I'm coming at me. Oh, okay, I'm scared. I don't want to. Okay, so, guys, this is on Amazon. Just type RC race cars or whatever. So, now I'm going to be videoing. Oh crap, I forgot it's going after me! Oh god! It almost hit me! Oh god! It hit me! It hit me! Wow, that hurts! That hurts! It's too fast! That hurts so bad.
Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Okay.
Okay, so guys, if you're looking to find the exact one, wait, James. If you're looking to find the exact one, this is the one that you're supposed to look for. It comes with two. So,
No, it doesn't. It's just this.
oh, it's just this one. Oh. With super cool dots. Twist this. It can't go backwards. You have to.
It's broken. Well, it does come. It does go backwards when you buy it, but we broke ours somehow because my little sister is so bad at driving.
Okay, now we're gonna see how fast it can go. Wait, no, stop! There's a car probably. Okay. Okay, so guys, we're gonna see how fast this car. Oh
my god!
Mail car.
What is wrong?
Oh no, he stopped.
Okay.
No, don't go that way. Whatever. Go that way. And you have kind of long range. Here. It's really nice, right? It's so fast. Okay, so James, I'm gonna race me. So don't let it chase me. I'm just gonna.
Yeah,
I'm gonna let
race
it.
you.
So you're gonna hold the thing. Do you know how? Can you drive it while holding that?
Hold on.
Did you hear that thunder?
Jeez.
You know it's on, right?
Yeah, I know.
Okay.
Can you hold it while you're racing?
Oh, yeah, I forgot. Okay, so I It's actually super fast. It could actually beat me in a race. So ready?
Set. Go.
Look how fast it is! It's beating me so far! Okay, Jay! Okay. So, you can know how fast it goes. I'm saying, I think at least it can go, dang, I think it can go 20 miles per hour. Oh, wait, James, don't do it yet. Don't do it yet. Come here. No, don't do it. Okay. Okay, so we're gonna try and get it over that green big pile of grass. That thing's gonna run it over, but we just have to wait until all the cars move. Go. Wait, can I try?
Yeah, you try. I don't.
Okay.
Do this. Here, I'll film you. Okay, guys, I'm filming. Oh shoot!
Why is it not going straight?
Yeah, sometimes it doesn't go straight.
Okay. Okay. So you ready? James, back up. So like, it's.
Okay, you can go. You're good.
3, 2, 1.
It doesn't go straight. It's so annoying. Oh, there you go.
Oh, did you see that? Did you video that?
I think so.
Okay. I'm gonna video it. I'm gonna try it again.
Okay, you're good.
I'm gonna move it this way.
Oh shoot.
Oh yeah, that's what it did last. So ready?
Yeah, you're good.
3, 2, 1.
Oh, you got it.
Barely got it.
Yeah.
Ready?
Okay, now you have to get it. Oh.
Okay, now.
Okay.
Ready? I'm gonna try and make it all the way around. Did I hit a bush?
You're in a bush.
Okay, guys, I'm gonna show you how fast this thing goes. So, you know how. Hold on, watch this. Here, I'm gonna pick it up. Here, James, pick it up while I'll video.
Okay.
So,
I could video it if you want.
it's fine. So, ready? Look how fast that is. You don't know, like,
It's slipping. It's slipping.
and it can go off-road and go on rocks, so whatever you do, just buy it. And, James, how much money do you think it was?
Well, I checked on Amazon and it was $130.
$130.
Yeah,
So-
mine was 110, the broken one.
So, you could get that one. It's $130. It might be a lot of money, but whatever. Please subscribe. Comment down below. Watch our Roblox thing. Please watch Doomspire Brick Battle. That one is so crazy.
Yeah, that one was fun.
So please like and subscribe. And bye.
Bye.